Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Carr, and today is Tuesday, May 12th, and I'm here for your rundown on science. So we started talking about inherited traits and learned behaviors yesterday. And so the first thing that you're going to do is watch these two quick videos. They're very short. Here's one on whales. Okay, cool. And also a second one on dolphin rings. So I really like that. Then you're going to read this article. Click on that and it's going to pop out into a new tab. You don't need to print it and you don't need to download it. And this is the whole article, and you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, whatever you need, but you can see it's quick and short. So this side about the dolphins and this side about the whales, because we're comparing their traits and behaviors. And then once you're done, you're going to come over here to this activity. And this is a good activity. It's a good practice, okay? And so what you're doing is you're just, here's a list of observations, and you're going to tell whether you think it's an inherited behavior, or if you think it's a learned behavior, or if you think it's an inherited trait, or if you think it's an acquired trait. So you decide what those are right there. And we can talk about more what those different things are in our Zoom meeting. So please come to the Zoom meeting so we can talk more about that. And then here's your answer key down here after you've done that. After that, you have your discussion question. So you're going to come back into Schoology, answer your discussion post, full complete sentences, so that we know that you know what you're doing. Okay. Please make sure you're using the article as your basis for your answers. Again, please make sure you're using the article as your basis for your answers, so that we know that you read and understood what you read. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to hit us up in Microsoft Teams or on the chat or the video. We're here for you, whatever you need. And that's it for today, guys. You should be done in less than 30 minutes. All right, y'all be good. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.